As with donuts and pies, bar graphs can be effective at communicating a single data point. Bar graphs carry more pieces of data than the single slice we would highlight in a pie chart, but a simple bar graph that can be focused to help the audience remember a single number is way more effective. This data table shows us countries where coronavirus has spread except China. I made this graph easier for my audience by ordering the bars from greatest to least. To do the same, look all the way to the right in the Home tab and you will see a button called Sort and Filter. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and select Custom Sort. This opens a dialog box where you can adjust each option to select the column you want sorted and the order of the sort, largest to smallest in our case. Now you highlight your sorted data along with its corresponding labels and insert a basic bar chart. Choose the first option in the bar chart drop-down menu. To adjust the width of the bars, right-click on them and select Format Data Series. In the box that opens, decrease the gap width to 50% or something around that size that you like. Now, from Fill and Line, I will change the fill color for all the bars to a light gray and then click twice on the bar for Hong Kong, so that it will be the only one highlighted. Then I will select my blue action color as my fill, close the dialog box and delete the title of the chart. I want people to remember a single number here, so right-click on the bar and select Add Data Labels from that menu. You will see Excel add your number outside the end of the bar. I prefer my number on the inside of the bar whenever there is room because it keeps the visual focus squarely on the data. So click on the label twice and then in the dialog box that opens, look for label position and change the radio button from outside end to inside end. As a last step, you will want to change the text color for that label to white, so it is visible against the action color of the bar. These strategies give laser focus to a single number that you want to boost. If you want, you can delete the grid lines, the border, and also remove the Excel grid lines. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you managed to understand how to make an effective bar chart. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to improve your skills, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out when I put new videos there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.